Good morning, students. Today I'm going to discuss part B, vocational skill. In this first chapter is digital documentation. In this, I'm going to touch Open Office Writer. So, first of all, students, you have to know what is style. See, you can see on the screen, a style is a set of format that you can apply to selected pages, text frames, and other element in your document to quickly change their appearance. Students, when we apply a style, we apply a whole group of formats at the same time. There are different advantages of style, like styles help improve consistency in a document. It makes major formatting changes easy. Style make the task easy. Students, there are different types of style. First one is the page style. Page style includes margins, headers, footers, border, and background. Next one is the paragraph style. It controls all aspects of a paragraph's appearance, such as text, alignment, tab stop, line spacing, and borders. Next one is character styles. It affects selected text within a paragraph, such as your font and size of the text. It may be bold and italics. Next one is a frame style. These styles are used to format graphics and text frame. Next one is your numbering style. Numbering style applies similar alignment, numbered or bullet characters. Next one is your cell style. It includes font, alignments, border, background, number format, and cell protection. Next one is your graphics style. Graphic style in drawing and presentation includes line, area, shadowing, dimensioning, etc. It can be. Next one is your presentation style. It includes attributes for font, indent, spacing, alignment, and tabs. Students, in OpenOffice, I will be discussing these four parts. First one, using the style and formatting window, using fill format mode, clean new styles, and updating a style from a selection. So first of all, I will go to OpenOffice. I will click on text document because I am going to work on document. Okay. Now, first of all, you have to write some text. I have my two text. Okay. And I'm going to apply the styles. Okay. So first of all, I will go to format and click on styles and formatting. You can use the shortcut key F11 also. I'm showing you when I will press F11, same. Yes, the window will appear. Now, students, you can apply Yes, any one style to your text. Suppose I want to this to set heading 2 for my line number 1. After selecting this, I will go to heading 2 and double time I will see the style has been changed or not. If you want to apply style on different lines, different paragraphs, then you must have to use, yes, fill format mode. Just you can see here at the right side. I will click on that and then choose. Okay. Now you can see both have the same effect as I click yes on both one by one. So this is your yes use of full format mode. Okay. Now students, I'm going to discuss how to create a new style from selection. Okay. So first of all, you set your yes style. Okay, I have already set this style. I will select this. Okay, and after that I will go to new style from selection, and then I will choose new style from selection. Here I have to write the name of the style. It is only for questions. Okay, this style I have set, and then okay. See students, if I will select the heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, it can let me confuse. But here, by this style, I can know that this style only should be used for my question. Now you can check it. Just I'm going to select this one and whether this option will work on my style or not. It has come. Okay, so you can have your own creative style, and as per that you can format your document. And once you have done it and you want to update your style, yes, click on yes new style and then choose update style. Your style will be updated. I hope you have understood this topic, my dear. Thank you, my